recording. So whatever. Okay. Let's finally go on this train. Woo!
Oh Lord, this is so long. Total.
Is it gonna break? Mason, is it gonna break?
What? No, I just
If
fell.
it
does break, that's gonna be horrible. Ah! Hold up, I gotta stop.
I'm scared it's gonna break. Nah. Knock on wood. Okay, just be careful climbing though.
Knock on wood, it might fall. Let's get over there.
She's working on it. Can it see us though? It can't see us. We need to be scooted down more.
Hold on. About right. Okay, about right here. Well, I'm tilted, guys. I'm gonna go zoom in.
It doesn't zoom in.
We need to find a better way.
What up? Just Mason. Just come on. Does it see us?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, swim. Okay.
Thanks, JC, Kenna, Mason.